In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the announcement bar in Shopify. Start by logging in to your Shopify admin at admin.shopify.com. Once you're in the admin dashboard, go to the left sidebar and click Online Store. This takes you to the Themes page, where you can manage the design of your storefront. On this page, find your current live theme, then click Edit Theme. The theme editor will open, and you'll see a live preview of your store on the right, with the Sections panel on the left. Now go to the left sidebar inside the theme editor and look under the header section. Click Announcement Bar to expand it. This opens the settings for the announcement bar itself, and underneath it, you'll see one or more announcement blocks that belong to that section. Next, click the announcement block under the announcement bar section. On the right side settings panel, find the text field. Clear out the current text that's already there. Then type your new message slowly and completely. Free shipping on all orders over $50. As you enter the text, the live preview on the right updates right away, so you can see the new announcement appear across the top of your store. Stay in the same block settings and move down to the link field, which appears below the text. Click into the link field. From here, choose the destination you want to connect to the announcement. You can select a page, choose a collection, or paste a URL if that's what your setup uses. Once the link is added, the announcement bar text becomes clickable, and visitors who select it will be taken to that link destination. When you're done making the change, go to the top right corner of the theme editor and click Save. That applies your update to the live theme settings. At this point, the announcement bar at the top of your store will show your custom message. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. If your announcement bar includes multiple announcements and auto-rotate is enabled in your theme, those messages will cycle through automatically. Any announcement that has a link assigned to it will take visitors to the connected page when they